Hi everyone, I am Black. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Louis Iwefo. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to do frontal reconstruction. So first step, I did this off camera. So you're going to gel and spray, then use your edge brush to tame down the natural hair like we always do. So I believe we're past that stage now, but for people who are just joining, I am just trying to, let you know what we do before we apply the glue. So I am going to go ahead and use my hand dryer. So that one I got from Amazon when I went to the UK. It's the Tresemme dryer and it's a travel size dryer. It can literally go into your tote bag and nobody will know what you have in your bag. So I am going to carefully place the frontal. So what I'm trying to do now is to move the lace slightly away from where the glue started, so that way I can have room to customize the lace the way I want it. If you like what you see, don't forget to like it and share with your friends so YouTube can recommend to other people, and that way I can make more money and be inspired to create more videos like this for all of you. So once I am done placing the frontal, I'm going to ask my client to help me hold just like what you see in the video. So I'm going to get my band and then tie so that way it can adhere to the skin. So I get this question a lot. How many minutes do you leave the band for? So I'm really not really big on tying because it's really uncomfortable. I remember when I tried to install for myself, I couldn't carry the band for even 30 seconds. But if you really want it to adhere well, 1 minute is enough. And by the way, I used just one glue for this install. We only did one layer. So if you want your install to look seamless, there's no point using more than 2 glue applications, so 2 layers rather. So try and be softer or rather light-handed so that by the time you're done with everything, it's going to look really seamless. So I'm going to go ahead and do a middle part because I just like to see what I'm doing because it inspires me a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and do, or rather customize one side and then head over to the other side. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
come on, baby, give me, that's the truth. Let me tell you what I'm trying to do with you. Like, ooh, baby, take my hand, let me ride away with you. Away with you. And ooh, baby, take a chance, I can make your dreams come true. Your dreams come true. Let me ride away, ride away, ride away, ride away. Let me ride away with you. Oh yeah. Say you want the moon, or take it down. Give you every star and lose count. Even the little things, I swear I won't miss a thing. 'Cause you deserve it all, girl. We gonna make it our way. So you when you're with me, like ooh, baby, take my hand, let me ride away with you, away with you. And ooh, baby, take a chance, I can make your dreams come true. Your dreams come true.
It's a day, or tonight is the night. Give me something to savor, don't be fighting the flight. It's a natural reaction, don't be switching the cover up. This attract the attraction, you in similar fashion to my Angela Bassett. Let me get you in groove. If you feeling the passion, just know I'm matching the mood. And all less a distraction, you more than something to be used up. Take a seat in the passenger while we test out the cruise.
When you move,
I don't ever wanna stop.
keep the grooving.
We gonna find love.
Hold time, lose force.
For whatever comes up.
I think this feels right.
Yeah.
It feels right. And ooh. Oh, baby, let me ride away, ride away, ride away, ride away, we ride away, wait with you. Let me ride away, ride away, ride away. Let me ride away with you.
So I'm going to go ahead and get glue and use a needle to just apply it. You guys can see the way I'm spreading it. It almost clears immediately. So this is to tell you that the lighter, the better. And that's like the fastest way for your glue to clear, so you don't waste so much time in one install. So try to be very light-handed. Yeah. So because I've used this unit before, I can see some bald spots. I know you guys cannot see it. I am just someone who likes to deliver a job well, so I'm going to go ahead and just ventilate little hairs in front so that way it can look really similar. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to tie it once more because I'm going to be using my what's it called, the styling foam. So remember, the styling foam is liquid, so I don't just go immediately and use it. I like to tie first, so that way the strength would not, lift the unit. I'm going to go ahead and mold the hairline and then get my melt spray and apply it. At this point, whatever you're doing, you have to be extremely careful. You can see how I'm applying the melt spray. So I'm just starting using a brush. I'm just starting from the tip of the lace. It's not touching the skin. So I like to, prevent it from touching the skin, because the melt spray and makeup, they don't work hand in hand. Makeup, the glue and the melt spray never work well with makeup. So once makeup touches it, it's going to look really ugly and you might not like it. So just try your best to apply only where the lace started from and then glide back just like this. So I like to extend the melt spray into the hair slightly so that when I am styling, that part will just remain tight. Trust me, it's not going to be frizzy or rather stiff. It's going to be as tight as possible. Remember, I'm not using too much, so you also need to learn not to use too much product, because what actually saves your install is not the product, it's the technique you used for the installation. So because I used a very small amount, we don't need to use a hand dryer for this. Just let it set in. So I'm going to get foundation and just open the middle part like that, or rather define it. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and tie it. So you guys, that will be the end of today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, like my other videos, and share with your friends. So is there anything you'd like to see here? Do leave it in the comments and I promise I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.